Good morning. Today I will explain another problem of projection of line. That is, it's an application problem. So first I will explain the problem. So here there is a pole. Okay, so I will first I will draw the quadrant system. So this is the vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane. Okay. Then here you can see one end of a pole, 2 meter long. So the length of the pole is 2 meter. Rest against a wall. So okay, so wall means this is wall. Okay, wall means vertical plane. Okay, see, wall means vertical plane. Okay, so this is the vertical plane. Rest against a wall and the other end on the top of a horizontal table which is 1 meter height. Okay, so here imagine a table is here. Okay, so I will show you. So here imagine this is a table. Okay, so here this is the table and the height of this table is 1 meter and height of this table is 1 meter. The pole makes 40 degree with the tabletop and 26. Here the thing is, this is the pole and one end of the pole is in the wall and another end of the pole is in the tabletop. Okay, so here I will name this point as capital A and this point as capital B. So you can see that the point A is 1 meter above the the point A is on the tabletop and B is on the wall. Then the pole makes 40 degree with the tabletop. The pole makes 40 degree with the tabletop. So tabletop means this is the horizontal. You can imagine this as horizontal plane. Okay, that means this 40 degree means 40 degree with the horizontal plane and 26 degree with the wall. So wall means VP. So wall means VP means 26 degree with the VP. So here this line makes an angle of 26 degree with the VP, 26 degree with the VP, and with the HP this angle is 40 degree. 40 degree. Draw the projections. Projection means draw the front view and top view and find the height of the end which rest against the wall from the floor. Okay, so this is the end. This is the end which rest against the wall. Okay, so B is the end which rest against the wall. So we have, our aim is to find what is the distance. What is the distance of B from the floor? Okay, what is the distance of this distance? What is the distance of B from the floor? Okay, so here I am applying line rotation method. So first I will mark point A dash here. Okay, so where is the point position of A dash? It is 1 meter above the floor. So here again, here you can see the length of the pole is 2 meter. So here I will take 1 meter is equal to 1 centimeter. What happens? The length of the pole is only 2 centimeters. So that length is very small. Okay, that's why so here I will change the scale. 1 meter is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so here the point A is 1 meter above the floor, 1 meter above the tabletop. So that means this distance is 5 centimeter. So here 1 meter is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, then the next step is you have to before that another important thing is, see, check the position of B. So here B is in VP. So if a point is in VP, it's top view. So this is the top view direction. You know what? Where is the position of top view of B? It will be in the XY line. Okay, this top view of B will be in the XY line. Okay, so that means this is very, very important. The top view of B will be in the XY line. Why? Because the point B is in VP. Okay, in line rotation method, the top view locus line consists of 2 points, that is B and B2. Okay, so in this problem sorry so in this problem you know that the point B is in XY line. Why the point B is in XY line? Because B is in the vertical plane. Okay, because and also the point B2 in the XY line. Why B2 in the XY line? This B2 will be in the locus line of B. Okay, so first you mark point B2, then draw the true length of the pole, such that the true length of the line is 2 meter, that means 10 centimeter. Okay, then this line makes an angle of inclination with VP. Okay, inclination with VP is actually 26 degree, so you have to draw this. Okay, then from A you have to project this line. Okay, then mark A dash. So where is position of A dash? A dash is 50 mm above HP. 50 mm means 1 meter above HP. So 1 meter is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, then from A dash, what about the HP inclination? So HP inclination is 40 degree. And what about the true length? True length is 2 meter. 2 meter is equal to 100 millimeter. That means 10 centimeter. Then project B1 dash to here. This point is B1. Then A center, A B1 radius. Draw an arc. So that point is B. Then join A and B. This is the top view. Okay. Then you have to project this B2 here. This front view locus. That point is B dash. Join A dash and B dash. So A dash B dash is the front view, and this front view length is 89.88, and the top view length is 76.60. Okay, so what about the top view inclination? The top view inclination is 34.9 degree, and the front view inclination is this one. Okay, 45.7 degree. So projection is completed. Then what is the next step? What is the height of the end which rests against the wall from the floor? So floor means this XY line. So from XY line to this locus line, what is the distance? It is 114.28 millimeter. So here this is the distance of the point B which rests against the wall, and this 114.28 is the distance from the floor to that point B. Okay, so you have to convert. So this is in millimeter, this is in millimeter. Okay, this is in millimeter. You have to convert into meter with the help of this scale. Okay, so in this way, with the help of this line rotation method, you can solve this problem.